Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this project, I'll be showing you how to make this colorful project. Then I'm going to use mixed media paper, then some of this tissue paper, napkins, then pattern paper, and then I'm going to use different kinds of napkins and some dyes, and then I'm going to use some of the pattern papers. So let's get started. Now I'm going to first tear all these pieces from those paper, and I'm going to just place it and see how I want it. um, I'm just trying to play with it and see where I want and how much I want to cut it and what kind of patterns I want it in different places. So I like this, it's like a napkin, and I'm going to just cut the side of that napkin, and then I'm going to tear it. It's much easier to tear it this way. Then I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to cut like two or three pieces and then see where and how I want it. If you don't have this, you can use whatever you have it, and you can even change the colors. I'm going to use blue color in this and different kinds of blue shades. So I'm not going to add too many different colors. And this is like another pattern of a napkin. This has like a light and blue shades in this, so it matches with this project. And if you don't have these kind of napkins, don't worry about it. You can create your own using your paints, and you can use stencil to make these kind of patterns. Then I'm trying to see if I can add this shiny um, texture kind of a paper in this. Then I'm going to see if I can add this dye in this project. Now I'm going to tear the, it's more like a burlap kind of a textured paper, and I'm going to add the pieces. Then I'm trying to see how I can add this dye. I'm going to cut the outline of the dye and then make it smaller pieces. You can use any dye you want, and you can cut it with the color cardstock and use it in this project. So I'm going to start using this gel medium, and then start putting it on the mixed media paper, and then I'm going to add this one at a time. You can use this generously. You can put on the top and the bottom. Then I'm going to do the same thing on all the sides. Now I'm going to use acrylic paint. Um, I'm using different colors in this. One is blue and the other one is gray. And then I'm going to use this brayer and add those colors in this project. And then I'm going to blend those edges. I'm mixing like a blue in that, so I'm just adding wherever I want extra, I'm going to add those things. Now I'm going to add green in this, so I didn't want it to add extra color, but I thought this will brighten up the background, so I'm adding this green. It's more like a olive green, and I'm just going to add like a dots in that and brighten it. It's like a pale olive green. Now I'm going to add white paint in the background and then use this like a stamp. It's a silicone thing. I'm going to use that as a stamp. So this gives something interesting texture in the background. You can use, if you have a stamp, you can even use stamp, or you can even use stencils. Then I'm going to see what else I can do before I finish it. Then I'm going to add a little bit of white and blend it and give that grungy look. Now I'm going to dry this before I go for the next step. Then I'm going to cut the edges, those extra papers which is hanging out. I'm going to cut those. You can do this project on the canvas board if you have. Um, I think it would be very nice in on the canvas board. I'm trying to do this, and maybe slowly I can see if I want to do bigger project um, in the future videos. So I might do that. Now I'm going to add more like a black color paint, and I'm going to paint it on the edges. It will give the good finished look. Now I'm going to use this golden paint, and I'm using this foam stamp which is from Joggles. I'm going to add this gold paint on the top, and I'm going to stamp it. This adds also some extra interesting pattern on the background. Then I'm going to use the brush and maybe darken it little bit in certain areas. I want it to be seen, so I'm darkening it. Then I'm going to splatter it on the top. Then I'm going to add this dye um, on this project. So this is like a final thing, that is after painting all the stuff, then on the top I'm adding this. Now I'm going to um, dry this. Then while it is drying, I'm going to use this stencil, sorry, dye, and I'm going to um, add little bit of gold paint on that and use this as a focal point. It's more like a circle die which has a texture on the top, so that's why when I put the gold paint, it gives it nice texture on the top. So this gives like a good focal point. So this finishes my project. I hope you enjoyed watching it. I will see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.